So welcome back to my channel. My name is Ola, and in today's video guys, I'm gonna be sharing with you how you can literally make money online every 30 seconds watching video ads on your phone. I'm not only gonna be sharing to you how you could also make the money for yourself. I'll also be showing you guys live proof right here to tell you something I've tested for myself and something I've worked for me. So I come right here to my channel right here and gives you guys this update. But I'll let you dive into the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, come on, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now, give the video a like, and comment your country in the comment section. Why are you watching this video from? Because in my next video, I'm gonna consider creating a video that's gonna teach you how you can literally make money in your country, guys. With that said, let's dive into the video. So guys, this is the first website that's going to be paying us to watch video ads on our phone. So right now I'm going to be leaving the link to this website in the description box. So once you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you straight to this website. And what you need to do basically is to create an account on this website. And in order to do that, all you just need right now is to fill in your email address, put in the password, confirm your password, then agree with their terms and conditions, then verify you're not a robot. So once you verify you're not a robot, it's going to log you straight into your account. And once you're already in your account, you're going to start watching video and you're going to start making money. You can see actually there are different various methods you could use to make money on this website. You could usually complete surveys, play games, watch videos, complete offers, or even shop online, and you're gonna be getting paid. So these are simple tasks you guys could usually do right here in order for you to start making money for yourself. And guys, these are simple things you do all day. You guys could usually play game. For those of you who like to play game, who like to complete surveys, you could usually do this on this website right here, and you're gonna be getting paid. So right now I'm gonna be moving on to the second website that's gonna pay you to watch video ads. And guys, this is one of my favorites, and it is one of the apps that have literally paid me the most amount of money. So the name of the app that's gonna be paying us to watch video ads on our phone right here is this website right here. You can literally see right here, this is the name of the website right here. And all you need to do right here on this website right now is to create an account for yourself. If you haven't created an account for yourself, I'll be leaving the link to this website in the description. So once you click on the link in the description, it's going to take you straight to this website. So all you need to do right now is to create an account by clicking on this menu button right here. I hope you guys could see that. So just click on the menu button. So you're going to see where you could literally create an account. Just click on the registration button. So once you click on the registration button, it's going to take you to this page right here where you're going to ask to put in your email address, then put in a password, then agree with the terms and condition. Also, then once you're done with that, you could literally create an account, or you could either sign in with your Gmail account or sign in with your Apple account or whatever. So right now you could sign in with your email account. So right now I already have an account, so I'm going to be logging into my account right here to show you guys how much I've made on this website. Yeah guys, you can see right here, this is how much I've made so far right here in my account. You can see right here already logging into my account. This is $0.14, and you guys may be wondering, oh, have I withdrawn from the website? Yeah, I've withdrawn from this. So in my previous video, I created a video teaching you guys how you can literally make money from this website. I'll be leaving the link to the video in the description. So I'll also be showing you guys how much I've made on the website and how you can literally withdraw your money from the website. So you can see right here, I currently have $0.14 right here, and I was able to make this money just today. So in order for you to start making money once you're done creating your account, all you need to do right now is to go over to the end. You're gonna see a couple of ways you could use to make money online for yourself. So just click on the end section. So once you click on the end section, it's gonna bring you straight to this place. You can see right here, you could also play games, you could complete surveys, you could watch videos. You could literally do online shopping, some online shopping, or you complete some micro tasks like giving apps reviews, just giving your feedback about a complaint, about a software, about just give out your opinions basically, and you're gonna get paid. So what I'm gonna be doing right here is we're gonna be watching video ads like I promised you guys. So in order to do that, just click on this end button. So once you click on the end button, it's gonna take you to where you could usually watch this video. So you can see this app is gonna be paying you 2 cents once you watch videos. So just click on this watch video tab right here, and you'll be able to watch this video right here. And by the way, keep in mind, in case if there are no more videos for you to watch, you could literally come back to this website right here the next day, and they're gonna see a lot of videos you could literally watch on your phone. So you can see my money just increased to $0.15. If you noticed earlier, it was $0.14. So I was able to make this money by just watching the video earlier. So it's not that I'm faking anything. You guys are seeing everything live. So you can literally do this, guys. Watch a lot of videos and you're gonna get paid on this website. Like I said, you could go check out my previous video about the website, because I literally show you how much I made on this website. So like I said, watch a lot of videos and you're gonna be making money. So the first thing you need to do right here is you need to set up your profile picture and your payment method. So I'll be walking you through how you could withdraw your money from this website. By the way, the minimum threshold of this website right here is just $10. So once you're able to accumulate a sum of $10 in your account right here, you'll be able to withdraw your money straight into your bank account. And guys, you don't need any kind of PayPal, Payoneer, or whatever. You're gonna be withdrawing this money into your bank account. And also, this website is gonna give you different features, to withdraw in different currencies. So if you want to withdraw your money in US dollars, in pounds, in Europe, in whatever currency right here, you could literally withdraw your money in any kind of currency right here. And like I said, I will advise you stick with your currency, but if you need some other currency, right, you could also withdraw your money. And by the way, guys, if you're getting any value from the video, wow, consider subscribing to my channel, please. It really helps me a lot in creating more videos like this for you guys. And by the way, if you have any question, feel free to drop your question in the comment section. So in order for you to set up your profile picture right here, just click on this menu button right here. So once you click on the menu button, or you go to this settings tab, either of the two. So once you go to the settings tab right here, it's gonna take you to this page. So you're gonna go over to your account settings. So you could go over to the account settings. So they're gonna ask you like to fill out your name, your first name, your last name, and all of that. So you could try to do that right here by going to this place. So just click on it and it's gonna pull up to the place. So just basically fill in your first name, your last name, and your email address. So you need to make sure the name you are putting right here, it's the name on your ID card, because you might actually be asked to like verify your ID card. So you could either put in your voter's card, your international passport, or whatever government issue ID card you have. So you could just select that and put it here. So for the payment method, once you already now reach the threshold, so once you already reach the threshold, you could go over to the billing section right here. So you're gonna see the billing section right here. So once you go over to the billing section, it's gonna take you to this page right here. You can see right here you could able to withdraw your money. So they're gonna ask you to add a payment method. So you just click on add payment method and it's gonna load up. So is that you are able to withdraw your money into your PayPal account for those of you who have a PayPal account, or you withdraw your money into your bank account, that is your local bank account. Just fill out your bank account right here, then the name on your bank, and then you could fill out your BIC code, that is your bank BIC code. So in order to get this BIC code, you could go on Google and type in the name of your banks. Right here, I'm currently in Africa, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to go over to Google and type in because I currently use First Bank, I'm going to be typing First Bank BIC code. So whatever bank you use, if it's Zenith Bank, Access Bank, United Bank of America, so just type in your BIC code and you could put it there. Then once you're done with that, confirm with your terms and conditions, then you could add your payment method. So once you add your payment method, once you reach the threshold of $10, you can see right here, you'll be able to withdraw your money into your account. So I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and also go to the comment section right here and drop a comment. You have any question you want to ask me, if you want to support me, you could check out the link in the description. And yeah, you're gonna see a link where you can try to support me. So you could click on the video right here, popping right here, you're going to go learn more apps you could use to make money online for yourself. And guys, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.